A lot of people can relate when I say I have about 10 lipstick tubes rolling around in my bathroom drawer right this second, and it's makeup that has been with me a while. By a while, I mean like some of it I bought in high school and I am now out of college. That's too long. In an effort to find more sustainable options to use as makeup, I did a deep dive and researched what kind of food I could use as a substitute to my makeup. So I'm going to try it out. So stick around if you want to see. This is the completed look. If you want to see how I got to this point, if you like it, keep watching. First up is cacao powder as bronzer. Also really great in smoothies. Also, fair warning, this is super messy, so put it in something where you're not going to get it everywhere like I did. So I just took an angled brush. Use whatever you use for bronzer, but I had these old brushes that I barely use. Please don't judge me. I barely know how to apply makeup when it's not food. So at first it comes out a little dark on my face, as you can see those fine lines. It also smells really chocolatey, which is really nice. But it actually came out pretty nice. I just wanted to blend it a little bit to make it fit my skin tone a little bit better. I'm very pale, so I don't want anything too crazy. But I did want to add a little bit more because I feel like once I blended it, it kind of all shook off. So I applied a second round of it, and I got a little bit too much on my face, as you can see, so I just blended that once again. This is what it came out to look like. It's really pretty, actually. I was kind of surprised that this actually worked. Looks like I would normally do bronzer, honestly. So this is the cheek stain, which you can also do with blackberries and pomegranates, but I only had black cherries because my boyfriend ate all the blackberries. So I just put a little dab on my face. It looks like blood. Then I used my hands to kind of blend it into my cheeks. This is also a little messy too. It can get sticky and gross on your hands, so have something to wipe your hands off or wash your hands after doing this. I just wanted to pat it in really well because if I do anything a little too pink, like too much color, looks a little weird on me. But this is how it came out, and with the bronzer, I think it looks pretty awesome. But now something is missing, so I'm going to do my lips. So again, I'm going to use the black cherry as my lip stain. I applied the berry directly to my lips at first and then kind of used my finger to like blot it into my lips a little bit. And on first glance, it looks pretty good. I just added a little bit more by putting my finger in the berry and putting it onto my lips so it could have a little bit of a darker lip color. And I think it actually came out pretty well. It doesn't stay as well as the cheeks, but it looks pretty nice. Okay, so this I was pretty skeptical about. I'm using the cacao powder as eyeshadow as just a little bit of a tint to my eyelids. So as soon as I started applying, I realized that the cacao powder was making a huge crease line, and you'll see that in a second. It doesn't really blend well on the eyelids. I don't know if that's because it's a thinner skin or if I just like have a crevice there on my eye, but it did the same thing to the other side. I like the color, but it didn't blend well enough. As you can see, I'm trying really hard to get rid of that crease line, but it just kind of stayed there. And this is the final look. It looks not great. You can see the crease lines there. This is the only one that I feel like is a fail of the 4 looks that I did. Overall, I'm pleasantly surprised with this look. It honestly looks like something I would wear on a daily basis. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot more sustainable beauty content in the year, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!